Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to take partial profits on TradingView. First, make sure your broker account is connected and you have an open position in profit. You can see your positions either on the chart labels or in the Positions tab in the Trading panel. To take partial profits, open the Close Position dialog, either by right-clicking the chart label or by clicking the X button in the Positions tab. Next, specify the partial quantity you want to close. For example, if you're long 100 shares and want to secure profits on 50, enter 50 in the quantity field. Choose your order type. A market order closes the partial position immediately at the best available price, while a limit order allows you to set a target price. Finally, review your details and click Close Position or Sell or Buy depending on your trade. And that's it. You've successfully taken partial profits, securing gains while letting the rest of your position continue to grow.